What are they doing? They are playing. Kids play every day in the evening. Play, play. She is playing the piano. Play, play. Playing is fun. Everyone loves to play. Play, play. They play games together. Play, play. Look at him run. He runs fast. Kids run in the park every day. Run, run. She runs with her dog. Run, run. They are eating. They eat together. Every morning we eat breakfast. Eat, eat. She eats an apple. Eat, eat. What is she doing? She is drinking. I drink water every day. Drink, drink. Drinking is refreshing. They drink juice during lunch. Drink, drink. Look at them sleep. They sleep soundly. Babies sleep a lot. Sleep, sleep. She sleeps with her teddy bear. Sleep, sleep. Learn the action verb read. They are reading. What are they reading? They read books. Read, read. She reads every night before bed. Reading is fun. Read, read. Learn the action verb write. What is she doing? She is writing. I write letters to my friends. Write, write. He writes stories every day. Write, write. Learn the action verb talk. Look at them talk. They talk about school. She talks to her friend every day. Talk, talk. He talks on the phone. Talk, talk. Learn the action verb listen. What are they doing? They are listening. They listen to music together. Listen, listen. She listens to her teacher. Listening is important. Listen, listen. Learn the action verb watch. Look at them watch. They watch TV every evening. Watch, watch. She watches cartoons. Watching is entertaining. He watches sports on TV. They watch movies together. Learn the action verb walk. They are walking. Where are they going? They walk to school. Walk, walk. She walks her dog every morning. Walking is healthy. Walk, walk. Learn the action verb jump. Look at them jump. They jump high. Kids jump on the trampoline. Jump, jump. Jumping is fun. Learn the action verb sing. What is she doing? She is singing. She sings beautifully. Sing. Sing. Singing is joyful. Learn the action verb dance. Look at them dance. They dance to the music. Dance. Dance. Dancing is exciting. Learn the action verb cook. What are they doing? They are cooking. They cook dinner together. Cook. Cook. She cooks a delicious meal. Learn the action verb clean. They are cleaning. What are they cleaning? They clean the house. Clean. Clean. She cleans her room every Saturday. Learn the action verb drive. Look at him drive. He drives to work. Drive. Drive. She drives her car carefully. Learn the action verb swim. What are they doing? They are swimming. They swim in the pool. Swim. Swim. Swimming is refreshing. He swims like a fish. Look at them help. They help each other. Help. Help. She helps her mom with the chores. Helping is kind. What is she doing? She is opening the door. Open. Open. She opens her gift.